dogs. No, Ruby, no growling. Oh, there you go. Good boy. Good little dancing boy in the water. No. The dogs are extremely interested in whatever I'm filming out the window. Aren't you guys? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, what's going on? It's all good. I'm just photographing the pretty birdlings. No, Ruby. No barking. It's all good. Don't just sit in there. Give yourself a proper wash. The reason I'm filming it from inside is because when I'm outside, they won't get in the bath. Oh, look, they're so cute! Catchphrase says it's my turn.